Okay, kid, let's hear your song.
What should I write? What can I say? How can I tell you how much I miss you? The weather here has been as nice as it can be, although it doesn't really matter much to me. For all the fun I'll have while you're so far away, it might as well rain until September. Ooh, backup girls will come in there and harmonize. My friends look forward to their picnics on the beach. Yes, everybody loves the summertime. But you know, darling, while your arms are out of reach, the summer isn't any friend of mine. It doesn't matter whether skies are gray or blue. There should be strings here, like raindrops falling. It's raining in my heart, 'cause I can't be with you. Bloop, 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 bloop. Every other note